Hey everyone, ever thought about investing but felt like you needed a ton of cash to start? Well, what if I told you could kick off your investment journey with just $100? Seriously. We're talking about a small step that can lead to big gains over time. Don't let the big numbers intimidate you. This is all about taking that first, crucial step. So, how do you do it? It's easier than you think. First, you need to open a brokerage account. Look for platforms with low fees and no minimum balance. My personal favorites are Fidelity or Vanguard, but do your own research to see which fits you best. Once your account is set up, you can buy fractional shares of expensive stocks or invest in an S&P 500 index fund. This lets you own a tiny piece of the biggest companies in the world, like Apple and Google, without buying a whole share. The key is to be consistent, even if it's just a little bit each month. Remember, the goal isn't to get rich quick, but to build wealth slowly and surely. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. So, what are you waiting for? Take that first step today. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more finance tips. Hey everyone,